No one leaves home unless home is the mouth of a shark. You only run for the border when you see your whole city running as well. Your neighbors running faster than you, breath bloody in their throats, the boy you went to school with, who kissed you dizzy behind the old tin factory, is carrying a gun bigger than his body. You only leave home when home won't let you stay. No one leaves home unless home chases you. Fire under feet, hot blood in your belly. It's not something you ever thought of doing until the blade burned threats into your neck, and even then you carried the anthem under your breath, only tearing up your passport in airport toilets, sobbing as each mouthful of paper made it clear you wouldn't be going back. You have to understand that no one puts their children in a boat unless the water is safer than the land. No one burns their palms under trains, beneath carriages. No one spends days and nights in the stomach of a truck feeding on newspaper unless the miles traveled mean something more than journey. No one wants to be beaten, pitied. No one chooses refugee camps or strip searches where your body is left aching, or prison, because prison is safer than a city of fire, and one prison guard in the night is better than a truckload of men who look like your father. No one could take it. No one could stomach it. No one's skin would be tough enough. The go-home blacks, refugees, dirty immigrants, asylum seekers, sucking our country dry, they smell strange, savage, messed up their own country, now they want to mess up ours. How do the words, the dirty looks roll off your backs? Maybe because the blow is softer than a limb torn off. Or the words are more tender than 14 men between your legs. Or the insults are easier to swallow than rubble, than bone, than your child's body in pieces. I want to go home. But home is the mouth of a shark. Home is the barrel of a gun, and no one would leave home unless home chased you away. Unless home told you to quicken your legs, leave your clothes behind, crawl through the desert, wade through the oceans, drown safe, be hungry, forget pride. Your survival is more important. No one leaves home until home is the sweaty voice in your ear singing, leave. Run away from me now. I don't know what I've become, but I know that anywhere is safer than here. They ask me, how did you get here? Can't you see it on my body? The Libyan desert red with immigrant bodies, the Gulf of Aden bloated, the city of Rome with no jacket. I hope the journey meant more than miles, because all my children are in the water. I thought the sea was safer than the land. I know a few things to be true. I do not know where I am going. Where I have come from is disappearing. I am unwelcome, and my beauty is not beauty here. My body is burning with the shame of not belonging. My body is longing. I watch the news and my mouth becomes a sink full of blood. All I can say is, I was once like you. The apathy, the pity, the ungrateful placement. And now my home is the mouth of a shark. Now my home is the barrel of a gun. I'll see you on the other side.